What's new with Solana? Well, let's dive in. Today is April 19th, 2025, and this is your weekly Solana update. Recently, it was announced that Canada approved an ETF for Solana. This is very exciting news for the Solana ecosystem, as an ETF lowers the barrier for the average investor to invest in a crypto asset or investment. I was surprised that Canada was the first country. I would have expected the US to get this approved, but still, this is very exciting for the potential of other countries around the world approving ETFs for not only just Bitcoin, but also Solana and other digital assets. This is the latest data from DeFi Llama. This shows 12 billion plus of stablecoins currently on the Solana network. This is a very healthy indicator of activity on the Solana blockchain, but also data like this helps increase the likelihood that banks and institutional money will look at Solana when it comes to deploying capital. Genover was a publicly traded stock that went up over 1,700% within a week because they added Solana to its balance sheet. This is going to be an ongoing trend that I see and expect because MicroStrategy, they added Bitcoin to their balance sheet and that helped price appreciation for their company. So I expect other companies to look at adding digital assets to their balance sheet as a marketing ploy and also just as a reserve and hedge against inflation. Coinbase, they're the number two largest crypto exchange in the whole world. They announced that they're going to put more of an emphasis on the infrastructure for the Solana chain. This is great news. In the past, Coinbase has had issues with withdrawal and deposit times when it came to the Solana network. So it's a good sign to see that they're trying to fix this and address it. If you haven't heard of Orca, they're one of the rising stars in the Solana ecosystem, and a lot of DEX trading volume goes through the Orca DEX. So you saw Jupiter kind of pave the way when it came to DEXs with their DAO governance, with perps trading and Launchpad. Well, Radium stepped up their game when they added more of a variety of tokens when it came to their perps trading. Well, Orca has announced a lot of great features that they just came out with, so definitely add them to your watch list and as a place to potentially deploy your liquidity for fees and potentially a better yield. Another rising star in the Solana ecosystem, Sharkify. They're the number one NFT lending platform. Well, now they just came out with a new product line with token lending. So different tokens like Jupiter, Radium, Sharkify. If you have these tokens in your wallet, well, you can actually deploy USDC against those as a way to get yield. Or on the other side, if there's a trade that you see, but you don't have capital, whether you're trying to flip NFTs or other tokens, you can put up a variety of different tokens as capital as a way for you to go make a trade. Follow LaRose Digital for more finance content.